Welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy. I am so happy to announce my first giveaway. So first, let me share with you what I am giving away. I will do 3 different drawings and each winner will get one book. It will be 3 different books. They're actually my favorite gardening books. I have a lot of different gardening books, but these 3 are the best. So let me tell you in detail about each of them. The first book is called Perennial Vegetables. And in this book, you'll find a description of more than 100 delicious veggies. And for each of them, there is a guide on how and where to grow them. Very valuable book for those who want to grow perennials. Next book is called Gaia's Garden, and it's about home-scale permaculture. It talks about how to build a food forest and how to take care of it. And the third book is called Winter Harvest Handbook by Elliot Coleman. It talks about year-round gardening, even in cold zones. So now that you know what prizes are, let's talk about how to enter this contest or giveaway. There will be 3 questions for you to answer, 1 for each book. You can answer all 3 of them or as many as you like. These questions are based on my previous content on the channel. So here we go. To win Perennial Vegetables book, you need to answer what I did with broccoli leaves. In order to win Gaia's Garden book, answer this question: what flowers I have sitting in my fridge? And to win Winter Harvest Handbook, answer this question: what fruit I made preserves with? The deadline is Sunday, July 18th, around 5 p.m. Central Time. I'll announce winners. If you were watching my previous content, then it will be so easy for you to answer these questions. And if you are new to my channel, then you can go and watch some of my latest videos. The answers are there. To be honest, they're kind of obvious. Anyone can enter the contest if you answer questions, of course. If you live anywhere in the world and capable of receiving mail or books, to be precise, then you can enter this giveaway. In this digital world, I feel like books are slowly losing their power, but I still love them. I am a bookworm. I love reading and collecting books, so I decided to choose books as my giveaway prizes. I hope you guys are enjoying books as well as I am, and will be happy to win one of them. So there is no confusion about the rules. I'll repeat them again. You will have to answer 1, 2, or 3 questions, 1 for each book. You can answer as many as you want. You can answer only 1 if you like just one of those books, or 2 if you like 2 of the books, and if you like all 3 of them, then answer all 3 questions and I will add your name to each drawing. The deadline to enter is this coming Sunday, which is July 18. I will announce winners around 5 p.m. Central Time. You can enter from any part of the world as long as you have a mailing address and you are capable of accepting mail and books. If you are one of the winners, I'll ask you to email me your address, and then I'll mail it to you, and you will receive one of those 3 amazing gardening books that I am enjoying for myself. Almost anything can be accessed online for free, but somehow I find what's written in books more valuable, and I trust it more, and just flipping the pages of the book make me so happy and comfortable. So again, thank you guys for watching and entering this contest. I am looking forward to announce the winners next Sunday. Thank you. Bye.